But guess what happens? That alarm clock goes off at 4 a.m. to train. I don't want to be a SEAL today. Or I don't want to be whatever today. I'll start tomorrow. Until you really want to do something, you're always going to be a talker.
17.
You don't know me, son.
Get it. 18.
You don't know me, son.
Get it. 19.
You don't know me, son.
Get up, motherfucker. You're not fucking good enough. You gotta work fucking harder. You have good enough timing.
Get your ass up and race him up.
You still want to rock.
That's the kind of bitch you be. And that road is success. It's a bumpy ass fucking road. The struggle is real.
Do you want to feel like a little bitch? You want to walk around all day knowing that you could, but you didn't?
Your mind's getting softer.
Get back to fucking work.
Who's gonna carry the boat in the logs?
That's you, buddy. Come on, 23. Come on, 24. One more, David.
Who's
One more.
carry the boat? Don't have a fucking great mind.